Libra, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 16 to 22 of August 2020. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Libra, let's start your reading. This is from 16 to 22 of August 2020. So let's see what is coming for the Libras. What is coming for the Libras from 16th to 22 of August. What has just jumped out for you? Ooh, 5 of Wands. Okay. Let's get the deck for you guys. This is from for Libra from 16 to 22 of August 2020. Okay. 9 of Cups, beautiful. King of Cups, maybe some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. 4 of Pentacles, Hierophant, wow. So Taurus, also ruled by Venus, like you. 2 of Swords, Knight of Cups, right in the heart of your spread. So some kind of love offer is coming for you. Tower, that will create a tower moment for you. 5 of Cups, Fool. Okay. 6 of Wands, beautiful. Okay, wow, something is coming for you very swiftly with the Knight of Swords energy. It's a very swift, very fast moving energy coming for you. Maybe it's a person, maybe it's communication, maybe it's message, whatever it is, it's very fast and coming for you swiftly. 5 of Wands with the 9 of Cups. I'm feeling that before you were in this conflict energy, and like fighting, arguing, and that gaslighting thing. Yeah, but you're overcoming it and you are now fulfilling yourself internally, emotionally, 100%, because this is the 9 of Cups energy. You don't want anyone to fill you emotionally, to feeling you complete, that they are with you all the time, and this is something like that. No, you are overcoming this kind of energy by loving yourself, by giving attention to yourself and giving love to yourself. That's great. That's very great. Okay, with the King of Cups, 4 of Pentacles, and the Hierophant, I'm feeling that whoever is you are dealing with, they have love for you, no doubt. They have deep emotions for you, but they don't know how to reveal their feelings. They were holding back for a long time. But I'm feeling that in their mind, they're still thinking about you. They are thinking to revealing their feelings, because we have this, like a sword kind of thing for this King of Cups. So they are definitely trying to communicate, but they don't know how to communicate. But I'm feeling that maybe they are just focusing on their spiritual journey first, and then they will align and they will come at your level. They will be at your level because you are very mature and very content here emotionally, and they don't know how to be in emotionally fulfilled position. They don't know how. So that's why maybe with the Hierophant energy, they're trying to be in that kind of energy. Yeah, the 2 of Swords, Knight of Cups, and the Tower. At least now this person has maybe decided to tell you that yeah, feelings are there, and yeah, I'm feeling that you have really put this person on your back of your mind. You're not thinking about this person, but this person is still thinking about you, and soon they will make this decision to come towards you, and that will be a shock for you. Like, that will be a surprise for you, because you didn't expect this person to come forward towards you. So definitely this will surprise you. With the 5 of Cups, Fool, and the 6 of Wands, I'm feeling that this person was in the sadness, in the lower vibration energy with the 5 of Cups here for a very long time, and this is like the Fool and the 6 of Wands. I'm feeling that soon they will like the click, and then yeah, I don't want to be in this kind of energy. I want a new start with my Libra. within my life, for me, for myself, for my Libra, for our love connection. I want to make it successful. So this is the vibe I'm getting. Like before they were like just Five of Cups, very sad, very victim mentality, and then they will overcome it and they will take a leap of faith towards you, definitely, to make it happen, to make it successful connection with you. With you. Okay, what is this Hierophant here for the Libra? Hierophant for the Libra. Hierophant for the Libra. Ooh, so we have already 2 cards, maybe 3, I don't know. Wow, Sun, beautiful, and the Nine of Swords. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, see, Hierophant with the Sun card, they are overcoming this feeling because they were just like, they can't sleep. Like they were overthinking about you. They were continuously thinking about you, and they don't know how to approach you. But then sun will appear, and their soul will be enlightened. They will get some kind of information from their soul guides, or spirit guides, and then they will overcome this kind of energy, and they will be in the position of making an offer, and which is very stable and led towards you happiness. This offer is pushing them towards you, and you are their happiness. Yeah. What is this Knight of Cups here? Ooh, transformation, 6 of Swords, 7 of Cups. Okay. Okay. Okay, transformation with the Tower card. It's really transformation. That awakening, that dark night of the soul. I'm feeling that they are overcoming their shadow side, like their flaws and their bad habits. They're working on those things, and they're trying to be in the a higher vibration like you, because you are very emotionally content. You don't need anyone to complete you, so they want to be like you. That's why they are going through this transformation. This is rebirth after the death. So definitely they just want to go with the flow. They want like that peace and calmful energy, peaceful and that calm energy like you. They want to be humble like you. They want to be easy, like at ease, very grounded energy. So that's why they are coming out of this confusion, and they are going with the flow, trying to be in the flow, and they are transforming themselves. What is the Star here? What is the Star here for the Libra? For the Libra, what is the Star here? 9 of Pentacles, Magician. Wow, 10 of Wands. Okay. Okay. So Libra, before you were doing all the things for them, and now you don't. Now you're not. You're focusing on yourself. You're manifesting your thing. You are putting this burden down, because you know that you're not responsible for them to be happy. You're not responsible. And this is an awakening for them, because this is a sudden shock for them, that you are just pulling back your energy from them, and you're not giving them that emotional contentment. So this is a shock for them. That's why it's necessary for them, because they need to know that no one can fill them, no one can make them complete. They are the only one who needs to do this. Okay, so yeah, you are actually helping them for realizing that you have to complete yourself on your own, because I'm completing myself, I'm working on myself, so you have to do it on yourself as well. So you're putting all those burdens down which are making you stuck, which are not serving you, which are not for your benefits, which are actually harmful for your energy circle. Because you have to take care of yourself, you have to take care of your energy, you have to take care of your love, everything. Okay, what is this Fool here for the Libra? Okay, this wants to come out. Wow, Ace of Cups with the Fool, very beautiful. New beginning, High Priestess, and the King of Wands. Maybe some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. And yeah, King of Pentacles also wants to come out. Okay, on an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Water sign, fire sign, earth sign. Everyone is here except of the air sign, which is you. I'm feeling that this person, maybe some of you are dealing with a new person. Maybe some of you, this is the old person who really wanted to take a chance with you. And yeah, because they want to come out of this sadness and lower vibration energies of the fives there, and they want to overcome this stuckness from their life. They are following their intuition. I'm feeling that they are building up a very strong connection with the divine, and universe is helping them to take action towards you, because if you are very stable and working on yourself, so they also want to be like you and be with you as well. Okay, so I'm feeling that they are asking for the new opportunity for you, for them with you. And for some of you, I'm feeling that this is a new person, because we have sun here and we have aces here. So definitely, yeah, some of you it's a new person, some of you it's an old person who is really working on themselves to be with you. Yeah, so they are transforming themselves for you. They are trying to be with you, because this is very maybe spiritual connection. See, soul level connection. So yeah, you are actually helping them for staying away from them. By staying away, you are helping them. So this is I have for you, Libra. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.